Hello everyone, good morning all of us. I am AJ. I am here to present a paper on chemical attacks on concrete, which I chosen to IIC first in concrete technology. So guys, मैं आज इस टॉपिक पे टेक्निकल वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. सो देखते हैं क्या होता है आगे. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. So firstly, what is concrete? We have to see firstly what is concrete and its definition. So concrete is a compressible material composed of fine and coarse aggregate bonded together with fluid cement that hardens over time. Concrete is the second most substance in the world after water, most consumed, and it is the most widely used in the material of any water and concrete. That is, concrete is a mixture of water, cement, and fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. So, when concrete is constructed, after construction, the various chemical attacks are held on it. So, that chemical attacks are sulfate attacks, chloride attacks, alkali aggregate reaction, carbonation, and acid attacks. So we see one by one. So sulfate attack of concrete is a complex process which includes physical salt attacks due to salt crystallization and chemical sulfate attack by sulfate from soil, groundwater, or seawater. Sulfates attacks on can lead to expansion, cracking, strength loss, and disintegration of the concrete. Sulfate attacks occurs when concrete is contact with the soil. Next is chloride attack. So chloride attack is a corrosion takes place as the chloride ions meet with the steel and the surrounding passive material to produce a chemical process which forms hydrochloric acid. The hydrochloric acid eats away from the steel reinforcement and thus leads to concrete cracking, spalling, and eventually failures. Of course, takes place on the reaction of a chloride attack. Next attack is alkali attack. Alkali attack is silica reaction ASR, more commonly known as concrete cancer. It is a delicious swelling reaction that occurs even time of concrete between the highly alkaline cement paste and a reactive amorphous, that is non-crystalline silica found in many common aggregates given sufficient moisture. Next is carbon attack. Carbon attack occurs when calcium reacts with carbon dioxide and forms calcium carbonate. It occurs calcium bearing phases present are attacked by carbon dioxide of air and converted to calcium carbonate. Cement paste contain 25 to 50 weight calcium hydroxide calcium OH2, which means that the pH of the cement paste is at least 12.5. As we know, acid is alkaline in nature. So acid attack takes place. Acid attack is the dissolution and leaching of acid susceptible constituent, mainly calcium hydroxide, from the cement paste of hydrated concrete. This can result in increase in capillarity, porosity, loss of cohesiveness, and eventually loss of strength of concrete. So guys, ये देखिए हमने अटैक्स ऑन कंक्रीट. सो अब इन्हें प्रिवेंट कैसे करना है हम देखेंगे. प्रिवेंटेशन ऑफ कंक्रीट फ्रॉम दिस ऑल केमिकल अटैक्स. First one is urethane coating are another option for prevention of chemical attacks. This treatment process after slightly faster cooling time applied to dry concrete surface. It reduces the saturation of concrete. Hence, we have to use a low alkali Portland cement. Use a replacement cementitious material such as blast furnace slag and peroxide fuel ash. Most normal aggregates behave satisfactory. So guys, these are prevention for the prevention of concrete from these chemical attacks. थैंक यू. लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना.